Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
In today's heartwarming moment, officers respond to an unusual emergency call, a horse trapped in a deep ditch by the roadside. As they arrive, the scene is tense. The horse is struggling but exhausted. Officers quickly work together, gently calming the animal to prevent injury. With careful teamwork and the help of local rescuers, they manage to pull the horse out to safety. In the end, the horse stands, shaken but unharmed, a reminder of compassion and bravery that goes beyond chasing suspects. Sometimes, real heroism is about saving lives that can't even say thank you.
We need a vet.
Yeah. What?
You get a hold of animal warden and see if maybe they can come down here, got a vet or something that can help us.
Okay, call. Did you say game warden?
Yeah. You get a game warden and they should know the vet on his telephone or somewhere. The horse is probably near hypothermia.
Come on, baby.
You gotta get up.
Okay.
You gotta move. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Now, does anybody know a farmer or rancher or somebody that knows anything about horses?
We gotta get her out of the water, I know
Yeah,
that.
we got.
If we can get her out of the water and get some blankets, that'd help.
Don't think the city with a bucket would help, would you?
Hey, Jason, do you also think you can get a hold of fire department, maybe one of the first responders with see if they can bring rescue truck? I think it's got a winch on it.
Good girl. You're all right, girl. You're okay.
Mark,
Yeah.
grab a hold of this with me. Try to flip her over.
Trying to flip her.
Yeah. So you can get it underneath that other leg.
Okay, Brad, you just need the rescue truck, correct?
Yeah.
I've got one in the back of my unit too.
Okay. Attention Muldrow Fire Department. Attention Muldrow Fire Department. Need you to 1019 to 1407 Dogwood Street.
Brad, what are you doing?
Have a horse,
She's getting attracted.
tangled in the barbed wire. They have got it loose from the barbed wire, but it is in water. They need a rescue truck. And need you to 1019
No.
Hey,
1407 Dogwood Street.
Get back. Get back over.
Jason, you're going to have to pay for that constable. You're talking on PD channel. Talking
Brad.
on fire channel.
Sorry about that. I paid you money to talk to him.
All right, we're under that front, Tim. Let's see if we can.
Come on, baby.
Flip her on out. Flip her on out. There we go. There we go.
Come on, baby.
All right. All right. That's cool. That's cool. You all right? You all right? What's her name? Miss Bethel. Miss Bethel!
Brad, did that go through the fire channel?
That one right here, so I can see which end it is.
have to pull it that way, Brad. That one goes under.
She's on it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to. We need to get her up and walk.
Yeah, she gotta get that blood flowing.
Get her up and walk.
You're better than you were, girl.
Just so we can get that out from under her whenever.
Go for it.
I did pick up the fire department.
Good job.
Good girl. Pull it. No, wait. All right, yeah.
I just want to get her.
Come on, baby.
You still want them, Brad? Just want 10, 20, 10.
I believe we can get some more blankets.
Yeah.
We can get her in that barn.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby.
It's all right. Yeah. That's good.
Had a rough morning.
That's good. We need somebody to keep him.
Another one, I got him.
Come on. Come on.
Go for it.
Come on.
I did pick up the fire department.
Good job.
Good job. Watch that. Pull it. No, wait. All right, yeah. All right, come on.
Hey, baby.
We can get her in that barn. Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Come on. It's all right. Yeah. We need somebody to keep him.
I got him.
$10.22, the fire department. We got her up.
Well, they can still bring us some more blankets.
Well, if we can get her in that barn.
It's okay.
It's all right, baby.
Okay. Okay.
Good job, guys. Awesome. Do you got any space heaters in there? It's all right, baby.